Welcome to our demo of Qualticorp Plus, our ERP augmentation software designed for component controls quantum system. This is Joshua Berman, Senior Software Designer for Qualticorp. Before we get to the software, let's talk about ERP augmentation. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. It is the core software application used to manage a company's entire data workflow, including sales, purchasing, inventory, work orders, and much more. ERP systems are a valuable tool. However, every industry has its own requirements and each company is unique. Our augmentation software fills the gaps between an out-of-the-box ERP system and the specific needs of your organization. We work with what you have, harnessing the power of your current system, giving you the greatest return on your ERP investment. In this example, we'll be looking at the aerospace industry, specifically maintenance, repair, and overhaul organizations, otherwise known as MROs. The two dominant ERPs for aerospace MROs are Pentagon 2000 and Component Controls Quantum. We do have augmentation software for both systems. However, let's take a closer look at what we've done with Quantum in our Qualticorp Plus. Again, every company is different, so as we go through this, remember that the system is designed to be totally customizable. So we'll be able to modify this to however you need. When you launch the program, you'll get a login screen. Right away, this is looking at the Quantum Sys user table. So you log in, and that's important because now every action performed is grabbing the correct user ID native to Quantum. As you can see, there are several options in the menu bar at the top. Too much to cover in this video, so let's just focus on the Scheduler tool. Click on Scheduler and you'll get a table that shows all your open orders. The system does keep history, so you can use this toggle to search closed orders, open orders, or everything altogether. There are several benefits to this window. First, it consolidates all your orders into a single screen. In Quantum, if you want to look at a sales order, you need to go to the sales order module. If you want to look at a work order, you need to go to the work orders module. And the same for manufacturing orders. So instead of writing a complex report, this utility brings sales orders, work orders, and manufacturing orders into a single screen. The records are identified in the source column with a code for each type of order. You can sort, filter, or search this column, or any of the columns, giving you an unlimited number of ways to find or group what you're looking for. The second column, last scan, tells you exactly where this job is in production in real time. It's populated from our Updater tool, directly from the factory floor. So by bringing everything into one spot and giving you real-time information as to where things are, you can have your finger on the pulse of your business like never before. You can also colorize the rows for yourself or for your team. Right-click the pop-up menu, select your color, and then you've changed the back color. You can also change the font color. Bring up the pop-up menu, and it's that easy. If you want to change multiple rows at the same time, you can do that too. Just hit your control key, select all your rows, right click, and then choose your color, and all the rows have been changed. We also created this drop-down menu for single-click reports. For instance, if you want to see what's due today, just select it, and the window auto-filters to what's due today. It's faster and more dynamic than printing a static report, and we can add to this list, create whatever kind of report you need. If you want to see more details about an order, use the right-click menu and select Open Order. You'll see the operations, bill of material, and any tools if needed. Because we have complete connectivity to Quantum, you can schedule your orders from here as well. That's why we call it the Order Scheduler. So let me refresh the screen here. And let's go ahead and reschedule this order by right-clicking. From the drop-down menu, choose Schedule Date. And from here, all you need to do is double-click from the calendar tool the date you want scheduled. And now you've just rescheduled that order. If you really want to save time, you can even select multiple orders by holding down the Control key. Right-click and bring up the calendar tool. You can confirm the list of orders you've chosen here. You can type the date here or use the calendar tool to locate the date you want. Double-click and now you've just scheduled an entire series of orders at once. This is a very powerful tool. What could take hours to schedule an entire shop in Quantum, you can now do here in a matter of minutes. One last thing I'd like to highlight is the Schedule by Week tab. Now you go to the second tab here, and here we have 6 tables. Now I know it's a lot to look at, so let me break it down for you. The first one here on the upper left represents new orders or orders that have not yet been scheduled. The second represents orders that are past due. The one here on the top right is current week's orders. So orders that are due this week or scheduled for this week. Then the bottom 3 are the following 3 weeks. This is designed to give you a grasp over your short-term backlog week by week. The advantage to this view is that you can reschedule orders on this screen simply by dragging and dropping the orders into the desired week. So let's say, for instance, you've got one week where you've got a lot of orders and your capacity doesn't necessarily match your load. It's very easy to shift orders around. Simply drag the order from one week into the other week. Select the day of the week that you want. Click confirm, and you're done. That order has now been scheduled, updated here, and in Quantum. So that's our overview of just some of the features in our Q Control Plus system for Quantum. The system is designed to be customized, so we can ensure it'll help your company run as efficiently and profitably as possible. So if you have any questions about this product or any of the other services we offer, please visit us at www.qualticorp.com. Thanks for watching.